we are. Mission Trail. Going to South Fortuna. And Nicole and Lita is right there. Where are you guys going?
I'm gonna see the mysterious rock. The sea, which is large rock.
It's mysterious, so we're not supposed to tell anybody, right? There's water here. Check out these plants. You gotta go this way. We have to cross this river. So, somebody said you have to go this way. Okay. Lita, put your coffee away. Or, okay, hop between the boulders. Hi, baby! Walk to the right. Yeah, walk to the right. We have to ford this river crossing. Almost ate it. Hung on to the bush. Good job, baby. Are you cold?
Oh, my feet is going nuts.
Now Leah's trying to drive her feet. Because she's way there. How you guys feeling? Tired? 2 thumbs up for you? How about Leah? Leah don't have thumbs up. We're going up to the top of this fire road. We're gonna follow the trail. Very beautiful, green day. Finally made up to the flat area. How you feeling? Flowers, tall as you are. That's where we're going. We are now going down the steep part of the trail. Whoa. Don't follow me, because I go fast. Go your own speed. We got trail runners now. Be careful, okay? Watch where you put your foot. Made it to the flats. Very green out. Climbing the stairs to heaven. And difficulty. And here's Nicole and Lita. We came down there. From there. Two. Woo! Here comes Nicole. Here comes Lita. And the poppies are opening up. Wave!